Thank you.
Welcome. So 4 of you here.
Oh,
Welcome. Up shoulders. Okay.
looking good. Yeah. Thank you for coming.
Yeah. 아니 아저씨들 랭글러. Thank you.
Yeah,
I'll give you a hug. Good to see you.
Yeah.
Many years. I think I left my camera.
Annette here? Okay. Yeah, I like her.
Just straight. Coffee खाएर So it's good on time. Coffee खाँदै
Hello. Surviving? Good?
Yes. Ready.
Okay, thank you.
One Susan's got.
Okay.
Lovely to see you.
Yes. Welcome to Kunjung.
Thank
for coming
you.
here.
I feel very welcome. Thank you.
Yes. Very nice to see you after a long time.
Yes, it's very nice to see you too.
How are you? Mr. Rizal.
Namaste. Thank you. Lovely to see you.
It's great.
Thank you. Thank you. Namaste.
Yeah. I'm the one who designed this.
He's the one designing.
Yes. I deserve the signature. And then she told us to get another house. A big house on the street. Down the street. Oh, that's.
Namaskar. तपाईँले हाँस्यो फस्यो भए जस्तो के
It was memorized. It was.
Namaste.
Welcome.
Long time no see.
You can not come to my party.
Hello, I'm Greta Maggie Hitch.
Oh,
Look at me.
She's a miracle.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
sir, namaskar. Masram sir. Oh, namaskar. Masram sir.
Namaste.
Sorry. Welcome sir.
स्टेजमा जाने अब म टाइम एकदम राम्रो
Hello. Oh, Jim. Namaste.
What a seat.
No.
Oh, I'm flying later night on
अब हेलिकप्टरमा जर्मन मान्छेहरू कहाँ भयो
मैले चाहिँ यहाँ एउटा कार्यक्रम छोटो कार्यक्रम सुरु गर्न लागेको छु सबै यहाँ उपस्थित ladies and gentlemen I want your permission to call the names of Lady Hillary, the Chief of Himalayan Trust, the Chief Guest Mr. Mahasam Sharma, Mrs. Mary Law, Larry Withered and Manfred Opel. We have flags there to represent 10 years up from one flag, so I want these guys to hoisting the flag. Okay, give a big clap. Yes.
अतिथि टाको त्यही हो यसलाई टाको ताली दिन नरोके कुमजुङ माविद्वारा आयोजित कुमजुङ मावि स्वर्ण महोत्सव समारोह 2068 को सुखद अवसरमा सम्पूर्ण आदरणीय अतिथिज्यूहरू अनुदानदाताज्यूहरू भूतपूर्व शिक्षक तथा अभिभावकज्यूहरूमा कुमजुङ मावि परिवार हार्दिक स्वागत गर्दछ र हामीले विगतका 3 दिनमा हामीले विभिन्न रमाइला प्रोग्रामहरू गरिसकेका छौं र आज हाम्रा प्रमुख तथा विशेष अतिथिज्यू काठमाडौँबाट यहाँ हामी सामु तथा भूतपूर्व कुमजुङ माविका शिक्षक श्री महासम शर्माज्यू उहाँलाई आजको प्रमुख अतिथिको आसन ग्रहणको निम्ति हामी कुमजुङ मावि परिवार हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछौं।
Likewise, I would like to request Lady Hillary to be seated as our honorable guest. I would like to request Mrs. Mary Law to be seated as our honorable guest. Likewise, I would like to request Larry Witherdy to be seated as our honorable guest. Likewise, I would like to request Manfred Hopple to be seated as our honorable guest. I would like to request all the members of the Tateyama Everest Friendship Society to be seated as our honorable guests. Himalayan Friendship Club to be seated as our honorable guest. Seated as our honorable guest.
यस स्टेजमा निमन्त्रणा गर्न गएको छु
Person of Golden Jubilee Celebration Program of Kumjung School, the Chief Guest, the Joint Secretary of Education Ministry, Lady Hilary, Peter Hilary, Honorable and distinguished distinguished guests, trustee members of Himalayan Trust, government representatives from different offices of Nepal, friends and parents from Chabikhalka, Gumela, Monju, Namche, Thane, Forcha and Tangoche, Kunde and Kumjung, army and police officers, education lovers, teachers, students, and all the honorable ladies and gentlemen. Today is the first day that I have been so happy in my lifetime. The happiness never had come before. The reason is that we have been successful to manage and celebrate 50th anniversary of Kumjung School. The credit of this grand success of this historical function of Kumjung School goes to you all. Some of you have contributed significant ideas. Some of you have managed your important time to help this program. Some of you have given physical materials and labor donation, and you have spent a part of your earnings. Kumjung School has been quite obliged to you all attended here. Today marks the 15th anniversary of establishment of Kumjung School by Sir Edmund Hillary. After he climbed the world highest peak, Mount Everest, which is the result of tireless efforts of the community, Sir Edmund Hillary and Himalayan Trust, Nepal government, District Education Office Solukhumbu, generous donors from different parts of the world, parents, teachers, and students. On this auspicious occasion, I am very much happy to have this opportunity to convey my hearty greetings and good wishes to you all, the ladies and gentlemen, government representatives, officials, distinguished guests, Lady Hilary, and the trustee members of Himalayan Trust from New Zealand, Himalayan Trust UK, Sir Edmund Hillary Foundation Canada, Sir Edmund Hillary Still from Germany, Hillary Foundation USA, Grand Circle Foundation USA, and American Himalayan Foundation San Francisco. Similarly, we would like to convey our sincere thanks to Everest Tateyama Friendship Society Japan, Matsumoto Himalayan Friendship Club Japan, Doshisha University Alpine Club Japan, and Korean Alpine Club. All these organizations have kindly contributed a lot for the educational development of Kumjung School. Kumjung School is very thankful to Namche, Thame, and Kumjung youth clubs, women groups, Khumbu Bijuli Company, Kunde Hospital, other local organizations, and all the ex-students, education lovers, guardians and parents that you have sponsored your wonderful ideas, given financial support, valuable time and physical materials, and labor donation to make this historical function a grand success. Presently, we have got a wonderful Golden Jubilee house, a special gift. This credit goes to Himalayan Trust, UK Himalayan Trust, and Mr. Ray Gilman, who inspired me to build the school house and also contributed a part of his budget. We have so many buildings, and the buildings were donated by our donors, and I would like to extend my cordial thanks to you all. Kumjung School is a special and everlasting gift to this community, gifted by Sir Edmund Hillary in 1961, and today the glorious 49 years have passed, living the special life of educational achievements. Sir Edmund will remain alive in the history of Kongdung School until the doom of the universe, and today's events will be recorded to transfer the history to our next generation about the evolution order of Kongdung School. Before concluding, I should like to thank the distinguished guest, government representative officials, members of Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee, former and present teachers and students, all the generous donors, parents, local clubs and organizations for their kind contribution and valuable time given to make the Golden Jubilee celebration of Kongdung School a grand success. Thank you very much.